The equation of the line through the points 4, 2 and -8, -2 is 3y is equal to px plus q, where p and q are constants. Find the value of p. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The question says that the line passes through the points 4, 2 and -8, -2, and the equation of the line has been given to us as 3y is equal to px plus q. If the line passes through these 2 points, then it means that the coordinates of the points will satisfy the equation of the line. So what it means is that when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, and when x is equal to -8, y is equal to -2. Using these 2 points, we can form 2 equations in terms of p and q. Then we will solve the 2 equations simultaneously for the value of p. So let's begin with the first point. The first point is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. We will substitute this into this equation to get the first equation. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. And so when we substitute it into this equation, we will have 3 times 2 is equal to 4 times p plus q. 3 times 2 will give us 6. P times 4, or 4 times p, will give us 4p. And so we have 6 is equal to 4p plus q. This is the first equation. Let's substitute the point -8, -2 into the equation to get the second equation. We have when x is equal to -8, y is equal to -2. When we substitute it into the equation, we are going to have 3 times -2 is equal to p times -8 plus q. 3 times -2 will give us -6, and p times -8 will give us -8p. So the equation is -6 is equal to -8p plus q. Let's call this equation 2. We can now solve equation 2 and equation 1 simultaneously for the value of p. Because I want to find p, I will eliminate q. I will eliminate q by subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. This is equation 1, and this is equation 2. I'm going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. When I do that, I'll have -6 minus 6 is equal to -8p minus 4p plus q minus q. Plus q minus q will give us 0. -6 minus 6 will give us -12. And -8p minus 4p will give us -12p. To find p, I'll divide both sides by 12. So I'll have -12 divided by 12 is equal to -12p divided by 12. -12 and -12 will cancel each other, and -12 divided by -12 will give us 1. And so we have p is equal to 1. So the value of p is 1. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C.